Hello, I'm Macklin from QBSourcing. Welcome to watch my video. When you are going to work with a dropshipping agent, the two most important things you want to make sure is that how can I get your quotations for my products? And how is the process for running my orders? First, I want to get my quotations, including the product fee, shipping time, and the shipping fee. For more, is there any extra service fee or anything else? And can I get the discount of my package fee if several orders are in one package, etc. I have some specifications with certain products I want to confirm with, and I want my own package design, as well as put the thank you card in the package. With so many questions you are wondering, like these related to the products. Then referring to the process of running the orders, you may have another 3 questions. First is, when and how can I pay you to run my orders? Second is, when and how will you fulfill my orders? Third is, how can I track each order's fee and fulfillment status? Okay, in this video, I will explain all of these about how can you work with QBSourcing as your dropshipping agent, and you will get all the answers to the questions about clearly. Okay, let's start. First of all, if you are running a Shopify store, it's very easy. You can install QBSourcing App and launch our app from your Shopify admin panel. When you log into our dashboard, there are 2 areas in the main menu. One area is QB product area, and the other is my stuff related area. Under the first menu tab, we have our QB product database, and you can explore it by opening the channels. There are several categories, and click the More link. You can view all products under a certain category. And there is a breadcrumb navigation indicated the category path. And here is the tree menu for you to have a hierarchy view of the 4 channel category. When you click the product, you can see the product details, more pictures, variants, price, shipping countries, and shipping fee. You can choose the country you want shipping to. We have 2 main shipping methods, QB Standard, QB Fast. In general, the cost mainly depends on the weight of the products. If you want to display the product in a new browser tab, you can just click the title. It goes into a new tab. This is the way for you to navigate from the channel to the category to explore our QB products. Another quick method is by search. If you want to search, for example, diamond. Here comes the result. You can check it out. By the way, on the product list page shows the product simple attributes: picture, title, price, SKU. So if you are very familiar with the product, you can input the SKU and search for the particular product like this. And the other way is you can search by URL. You can just provide a URL here from AliExpress, Alibaba, Amazon, or CJ Dropshipping. For example, this link. Just search. If you get the result, congratulations. If not, add this link. Don't worry, it shows, do you want post a sourcing request using this URL? Just click the yes button to post a sourcing request here for free. After you submit the form, our agent will source in the product and give you the quotation, which is the dropshipping agent's job, right? Okay, if you are interested in the product, You can just click the Add to My Favorite button to add it to your favorite list, where it can be listed in the Favorite tab here. And of course, you can remove it by editing here to click the Remove button. After knowing for the QB products, now let's get into the point. When you post your sourcing request and it has been replied with successful status, you can check the detail. Remember, the country you input here will show the price in the list, and what's more, on the detail page, you can see all the price, shipping to each country list here, as well as the shipping fees and shipping time. And if you have any detail requirements, you can communicate with your agent. Click here and find your agent using WhatsApp or Skype, through text or call in your prefer. So if you have your product specifications or your own package design, you can just tell your agent. A good agent is always glad to take full responsibility of all the things related to your product and the orders. Next step, we should prepare for your product. In the My Product tab, you click the View My Product button, and it will show all your product listed in your Shopify store, and you click the Detail. You can connect your Shopify product with QB product. Okay, now you can choose from My Favorite, or you just input the SKU number and click the check button to do the connection. One thing you should know is that if you have posted a sourcing request and your product has been sourcing successfully, it goes into your favorite list automatically, so it can be selected here, very convenient. And you can choose the option, the values here, and the attributes will be matched. And now the connected column shows green. It is really ready to go. In case you are not sure about the attributes for the connection, don't worry. Your agent will double check or just do it for you to make sure everything is alright. Now refer to the orders. In the Order View tab, first of all, you click the View Unfulfilled Orders button. All the recent unfulfilled orders will be listed here, and in the line view, all the basic information is displayed, and there are 3 check columns you should pay attention to. If the product is connected with QB product, the QB product column will be checked. If the agent sends you the invoice, the QB invoice will be checked. If the product is fulfilled by us, the QB fulfilled will be checked. If you want to check each order's cost, you can check the invoice view. Here I listed the unit price multiply quantity equals product fee, and shipping fee off here, because these 2 products are in one package, so the shipping fee is not the same as the product in the detail page. It should be deducted, right? And each line has total USD, and in the Express view, which represents the package view, you can see the tracking numbers here, and you can click the icon button to check the package's status. Now on the Orders Bulk View tab. In most cases, we run orders daily or twice a day, so the orders should be divided into bulks, which you will pay in bulk of orders. Once the agent sends you the invoice, you can also check your invoice here, with this link beside the bulk invoice USD. Here you click the Orders button, and you can see all the orders under the bulk, also in line view, invoice view, and express view. Here you can check it out. One thing you should know, once you have paid your invoice, we can fulfill the related orders in your Shopify store automatically. Just like this. No matter your product is imported from AliExpress, Alibaba, CJ Dropshipping, etc., we can fulfill your orders inside your Shopify store directly according to your requirements using the tracking number. Okay, that's all I want to explain how to work with QBSourcing as a dropshipping agent. we talked about how we provide you quotations, how we manage your products, and how we run your daily orders. We just want to make things easy and efficient. We believe the dropshipping process easy to understand and easy to manipulate will give you the full control of your dropshipping fulfillment and will upgrade your business to the next level. If you have any questions, you can leave us a comment below, or you can get in touch with us through the WhatsApp, Skype, or email. Really appreciate your time with us and have a nice day. See ya!